Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Al Haramain. House of Al Haramain doesn't need introduction. They are one of the biggest and the best fragrance houses from United Arab Emirates, from Dubai. Originally they come from Saudi Arabia. They've been around for more than 50 years and they make amazing fragrances, especially for a price. I unboxed and reviewed numerous Al Haramain fragrances on my channel. I can't tell you even how many, probably around 30 or 40 of them. And for a good reason. They are amazing value for money. They smell good. The quality, the ratio of quality, what you pay and what you get is top notch. They are one of the best, if not the best, house from United Arab Emirates. Okay, so in this one in particular called Al Haramain Signature EDT. This one, I have no idea where it's come from, but I know it's in the United Kingdom. You can find it under £20. And before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, don't forget to hit those buttons. Your help, your encouragement, your motivation will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. I'll bring you fragrances that nobody else talks about like this in future. Thank you very much for your support. Please like, subscribe, share this video with others, comment. All these things will help the channel and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. So simple box, all over white, silver, quite nice, quite heavy. Here we go. Sorry about the noise. So this one is aimed for men. But let's see how it goes. Okay. Wow, very good bottle. The bottle is amazing. Look at that. Very, very heavy bottle. Beautiful. It's same as your own family bottles. Very, very nice. Very good design to it. Amazing. The cap is very, very heavy, but it's plastic. The atomizer is modern, and here we go. Very, very good atomizer. Perfect. House of Al Haramain, they always know how to make good quality presentation, especially for the bottles and the sprayers and the juice itself, which is most important. Anyway, so let's go. Here we go. First impression, and this is Al Haramain Signature EDT. First sniff. Ooh, first thing it hits me is the greenness. It's very green. It's very herbal. It's quite earthy. And even more green and grassy. Smells like oak moss. It's very, very oak mossy. So if you like your oak moss, this is an oak moss bomb. You can smell something like a leafy tobacco. So it's like a leafy tobacco, herbal tobacco, not a smoky tobacco, not honey tobacco, none of those. This one is a herbal. This is green. This is leafy tobacco. Very ambery at the moment. The amber is very rounded and it's very smooth and it's very full bodied. But it's not a resinous amber. It's not a deep dark amber. It's quite a, it's not a very happy amber either. It's medium. It's on the medium side of amber. So it's quite nicely done. The balance is quite nice in here. The base is very woody, so I'm expecting it to be combination of cedar and sandalwood. It smells like that to me. It's very, very smooth and it's very woody. It's got a little bit of hint of smokiness, just a tiny bit of a smokiness, tiny bit of dustiness, tiny bit of powderiness to it as well. Not much, very, very small amount. And at the moment, it's very citrusy, and the citrus here is little bit on the, it's not a fresh citrus. It's like a quite a dark, not dark, but it's like if you put the lemon in one side and it goes a little bit dry, so it's like a dry lemon, dry bergamot feel to it. So let's say it's like a citrus, but it's a dry citrus rather than fresh citrus. Overall, it smells very, very good, especially for a price. This one you can find it in United Kingdom under £20 for 100 ml at the toilet. And you know, House of Haramain, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. And in this case, you can tell the presentation is amazing. The smell is very good. It's very on the classical side of things. This one smells very classic. It smells very old school. It smells very 70s and 80s to me. It smells this about barbershop as well. Not much, just a hint of barbershop in there as well, which is very, very good. So if you like that genre of perfumery, which is green, masculine, semi-fresh, not too fresh, big oak moss, big tobacco leaf in here, herbal, green, grassy. It's about wateriness to it, but water here is not salty, it's just fresh water. And also very woody base, cedar, combination of cedar and sandalwood most likely. And in the beginning, the citrus is not fresh citrus, it's like a dry citrus, like lemon dried or bergamot dried. Okay, so to me it smells very, very good. Beautiful, very nice, very in the classic side. So you need to like your classics, you need to like your masculine side, you need to like your old school perfumery, because this is absolutely like yesteryears. It's like from 70s and 80s. If this one was in a bottle that was very, very old and people smelled it, they say yes, this is from that genre. But it's an almost I think it's one of the newest releases from Al Haramain. I'm not too sure, but it hasn't been around for long, maybe a year or two. Okay, but overall beautiful. So it's a very woody, very green, quite oak mossy, tobacco-y, leafy, grassy, green, woody, citrusy, semi-fresh. Because the greenness is very, very green, the freshness is, let's say, toned down here. So it is fresh to semi-fresh, let's say. Okay. Overall, very, very good. I absolutely love it. I give it 2 thumbs up. Let's see the longevity, but knowing House of Al Haramain, they do longevity very good. All of the fragrances are very, very long lasting. I never smelled or tried Al Haramain fragrance that was weak, so this is going to be most likely very, very strong as well. At the moment it's filling the room. Okay guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be nice for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this. With your help, this channel will stay for much longer. If you like to buy one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make the perfume myself. I'm the artist, I'm the perfumer, I'm the worker. Nobody else is involved. From the scratch to the perfume is all about me. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, very intriguing, very mysterious fragrances, very unusual fragrances. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.